What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I am on my way right now to go show my mom my Honda Grom. That's right, I've had this for like 5 months now and my mom has never seen it, and it's too bad that my front fender is all, you know, messed up from last Sunday, but you know what, I don't even care at this point. So let's go see what my mom thinks about my Grom. All right. Sure.
It's actually kind of weird.
Really?
Hey, hold up. Am I going to stop it over?
I hope not.
How do I start this thing? Are you driving? No, but honestly, I could see myself riding this. It's actually cute. It's like my size, isn't it? See, you just started yourself. I will try. Try. Don't tell him. Start it. Start it. I think you do something like this.
Start it up, Mom.
Is there a key? There's some little tires. Oh, there's a key. Oh, am I getting one tire? It says empty.
You're one step away.
It's not this.
The brake pedal?
It's a brake?
That's the brake.
What other button? Maybe take your glasses off and see. I seriously don't see it. Oh my gosh, hold on.
You can try to ride it?
Do I have to do anything besides put the brake on if something happens?
We can do it tonight.
Is this?
That's the front brake. Don't use that.
How do I go forward for just a second?
Okay, pull the clutch in.
This?
Pull it in. All the way. Okay. Put that down. One. Okay. You're going to ease this off and do a little bit of gas. It's going to start moving.
Okay.
That's the back brake. Okay?
Okay.
And you'll stop if you hit that. Don't hold the throttle all the way.
Like to
Okay.
make it go.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you feel like you want to stop, just pull this in and it'll stop slowly. Or you just hit the back brake, it'll stop.
Okay, hold on. It's not that, it's just right.
Just go straight.
This is the gas?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But backwards. A little bit. Like that, that's good.
Okay.
Ease out the clutch. I am actually. No.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, hold on. If I want to...
Pull the clutch in if you stop.
Look at that. I can do it.
Pull the clutch in to stop.
I don't want to stop yet.
Oh. Do gas, give it gas then.
Crap. I always go forward.
You gotta pull the clutch in to stop. That was actually a lot better than I thought.
I actually love this thing. I want one. Woo! Look at me. This is actually really fun to ride. I could do this. That's my first time on a motorcycle ever. You gonna come? Yeah. Come try. I'm not gonna do anything else. I'll let you do it from here. I actually could really ride this thing.
Why are you putting your feet out like that?
Because I didn't know where to put my feet because I had flip-flops. If I had like normal shoes on, I seriously could ride it.
I'm not wearing the glasses.
Okay, let's see if you're any better.
What?
How long has it been since you rode a motorcycle?
Oh, 2 years probably. Oh, no, stop. He's better than me.
My front fender's making want to go, Grandma?
I drove it.
Oh, did you?
Uh-huh. I actually wish I had more time. I would drive it. You like it?
Oops, it's got a spider web.
There she goes.
You want to ride it, Grandma?
No, thank you.
You sure?
Thank you.
It's fun, isn't it?
Grandma, your turn. It's my first time ever. I've never driven a motorcycle. No.
She had one
That
and
was
she
fun.
never rode it.
That is fun.
See my front fender is broken?
I feel comfortable on it like that. Like
See
this.
that? It's making that bad noise.
I brought, yeah. Papa, if you do, then please make sure that Papa videos it for us.
I'll do a video sometime of
Grandma's
Grandma and
hiding.
Papa riding it.
You can't see her.
Alright, Grandma? See ya.
Hold on tight a little longer. What don't kill you make you stronger.